I'm the Chief of Minimally Invasive Surgery and Director of Minimally Invasive Surgical Initiatives and Development at Fox Chase Cancer Center, which is part of the Temple University Health System.
We are really striving to do most of our surgeries laparoscopically, minimally invasively if possible. I would say over 60% of our surgeries are performed in a minimally invasive fashion.
Minimally invasive surgery is really filled with a lot of different companies, a lot of different people out there developing new products. Fujifilm, in my mind, brings something new and innovative. I think what we need is people that want to take chances and develop something breakthrough.
Industry really needs to help us in terms of getting better visualization, better tools with which to operate.
Surgeons have to be willing to try new technologies, and they have to be willing to take a little time to learn something new, or they're going to stagnate.
I think Fujifilm can bring to the surgical space an excellent camera as well as detailed picture for the surgeon.
Our department's approaching about 100 cases with the new Fuji system.
I've used the Fuji needle scope with a wide range of procedures, including benign procedures as well as integral debulking procedures.
I've done hysterectomies for endometrial cancer with lymph node dissections. I've done oophorectomies, salpingectomies.
The needle scope's been a unique device in that we have been able to apply it to just about every procedure we do. And what we found with it was a great scope that was only 3 millimeters that you didn't even have to hold sometimes. It was a great scope that had one cord coming out the back. It was a great scope that your hand didn't get tired because it was so compact.
Its clarity of its picture is much, much better than anything I've seen.
I mean, it was as good quality as we saw with 10 millimeter high def scopes. It was fantastic.
The Fuji needle scope is lightweight, it's easy to manipulate. It allows me to operate with or without an assistant.
There were just so many things we found over time that we just liked it more and more that it became second nature to just use the scope.
And it makes laparoscopic surgery safer because the laparoscopic sites are smaller. It also allows me to have a better visualization of the operative field without a very large, bulky instrument.
120-degree fisheye lens is just incredible. It gives you the widest angle. You can see everything. It actually makes it much easier. You don't have to switch out from a 0 to a 30-degree scope. Anything that decreases instrument exchange or scope exchange decreases your operative time.
As we are able to perform more surgeries laparoscopically, patients have less post-operative stays and thus less hospital cost overall.
More minimally invasive surgery, less time in the hospital.
Reducing pain, reducing costs, reducing incisions, reducing manpower in the OR. They're creating a platform that is going to be the next step in surgery. When you work with Fuji, you really get the sense that this is a company that believes in the future and that they believe they're the ones to build it.